Hello, I am the CryptoBot. So there is some big news surrounding Ripple over the last couple of weeks since its price has surged and taken over the number 2 spot on the crypto market. Today Ripple hits an all-time of $3 and is still rising, currently at $3.02 at the time of this video, January 3, 2017, 12:44 p.m. Ripple is up an astounding 25% in the last 24 hours. But the big news that may keep Ripple's pricing rocketing is the addition to Canada's biggest crypto exchange, Coinsquare. CEO Cole Diamond said that Coinsquare is looking to expand their coin offerings, with Ripple at the head of that line. And just a side note, he did also mention that Monero would be added as well. And with rumors of the Coinbase top dogs discussing the addition of Ripple to their platform over Christmas, we could see this coin on its way to the moon well within a short time. Please like and share the video.